Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a sprite and add a backdrop. So to add a sprite, we must choose the sprite option. It may have a pop out. You choose a sprite. You have a lot of sprites in all, but if you don't get some, you can just go search for what you want. And if you're going with the tutorial given back, some you don't find, so better is that you search sometimes. First I'm going to fantasy, and I like to choose Griffin because it's having good, and even dragon is having, but it does not flap its wings. So I'm choosing Griffin. These all do not have anything. It's a little, except this, but it's too fat, so I'm not choosing that. To delete, we have an option here itself. So I'm deleting both these, and I'm going to add the Griffin. So Griffin. Now I'm going to choose Griffin D is there, Griffin C is there, Griffin B is there, Griffin A is there. So I'm going to choose Griffin A. Griffin A is actually the default one which we get. Then I'm going to add one more, and I'm going to put Griffin B. I'm going to add one more, and I'm going to put Griffin C. And now when events I go and when space I will keep, and now when its spirit is being kept, it may have this. So to repeat this, first we remove this, go to controls, forever, wait, I am going to keep in the middle of all. Wait 1 second, wait 1 second. The reason I'm putting wait 1 second is it goes very fast. And for Griffin, I'm going to add an backdrop. So as we got sprite, same way you will also have again an pop out, and we click this, choose a backdrop. Then we go to space. I like to choose the city, and now here it goes. And here when I keep, it may happen. Space, stop, space, it's moving, stop, space, stop, space, it's moving. Now otherwise we can change this into 0.5 and add one 0 behind point, 0 0.5, 0 0.5, we are adding both. Otherwise if you see without this, it goes like nothing is to be seen. So it's better we keep wait for half a second. And one more we are going to add and put same, so that the continuation will be understood. And to move the sprite front and back, we are going to go for looks and motions. So looks is for change size by, and motion is to move front and back. So change x by, we are taking 2 out. In 1 we are going to add minus, and we are going to change y by minus, we are going to take 2 y. Next we are going to events. When space, we are going to change space into up arrow, not space, we are going to change into right arrow. And minus I'm going to change it into right left arrow, and change y by 10. I'm going to choose into up arrow, and when minus, I'm going to keep down arrow. So now it moves back when left. Now right when we click, it's moving back here, and up when we go, it's going up and down. So this is quite good. So here we can maximum go till here, here also. We are going to keep it in the exact default position, keeping it 0 and 0. Oh, sorry, 0. So the exact position we have got, and now we will stop it. And that's all for today. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon given below.